10 Amazing Reality About Duck. In this video, we will find out about ducks and all their astonishing characteristics and qualities. Ducks are types of waterfowl that have a place with the Oenotidae family. They are a lot more modest than swans and geese and are split between a few different subfamilies. They are seagoing birds that can go any place from fresh water to salt water, and they fluctuate in size, variety, and area. We should get familiar with a few unimaginable realities about these oceanic birds. As we continue in this video, kindly like and share. Don't forget to put on your notification button to get update each time we upload new video. Amazing reality about ducks. 1. There are no less than 100 distinct kinds of ducks. Despite the fact that geese and swans are not viewed as ducks, there are still about 100 particular types of ducks on the planet. There are 38 particular types of fiddling ducks, ducks that will generally put their base out in the water when they feed. There are likewise plunging ducks, ducks that jump under the water surface looking for food, and there are additionally ducks that home inside trees and sit on high branches, known as roosting ducks. 2. All ducks have waterproof plumes. Since these birds are amphibian, they should have the suitable quills for wet circumstances. As a matter of fact, practically all ducks have waterproof plumes, permitting them not to become weighted and fixed when they are in the water. To make their quills waterproof, they should accomplish something many refer to as trimming. Dressing is when ducks accumulate an extraordinary oil that is delivered by the trim organ, an organ situated close to their tails. When they accumulate this oil, they rub everything over their bodies, accordingly making their quills waterproof. 3. Ducks are omnivores. All ducks are omnivores, meaning they eat the two plants and different creatures. While it is normal for ducks to benefit from plants, natural products, and vegetables, they additionally eat more modest creatures like shellfish, creatures of land and water, bugs, and spineless creatures. They are not fastidious eaters and will basically eat anything very much endured by their stomach-related framework. 4. Ducklings stroll in line behind their mom. They call it a line of ducks on purpose. While most ducks do this as a wellspring of scrounging for food, ducklings will generally do this in light of the fact that their mom is their chief and guides them to their food source, taking out the risky demonstration of leaving the home unattended looking for nourishment for their young. While they actually figure out how to chase and catch food under their mom's consideration, at whatever point they arrive at around 1 to 1.5 long periods old enough, they ultimately leave their mom and begin their deep-rooted venture without her. 5. Most ducks are monogamous. While ducks don't necessarily in all cases mate forever, the vast majority of them are monogamous during the mating system. They participate in occasional monogamy, implying that each mating season, they track down a mate and duplicate, as well as structure areas of strength for a with their chosen mate during this time. At the point when the season is finished, and the eggs are laid, the pair isolates, dissimilar to swans and geese, who commonly mate forever. 6. Ducks can fly, walk, and swim. Not exclusively are these birds seagoing, however they likewise stroll ashore and fly various distances. Most homegrown types of ducks don't fly. Nonetheless, there are a few types of duck that can fly and coast, however they can't keep up with trip for a lengthy period. 7. Ducks are by and large more modest than swans and geese. Ducks are delegated and unmistakable animal categories, aside from swans and geese, generally in view of their more modest sizes. As a matter of fact, one of the biggest types of duck is the Muscovy duck, local to South America. This type of duck can grow up to 30 inches long and can gauge as much as 30 pounds, which is as yet more modest than the normal goose or swan. One of the littlest types of duck is the dark East Indian duck, a lovely, emerald green duck that can gauge a limit of 1.5 pounds. They are little and inconceivably lovely to check out, their plumes nearly showing up as radiant on occasion. 8. Duck is an early English word. Ducks got their name from the early English word ducan, and that means to dodge or to plunge, something that these birds can do unquestionably well. Truth be told, there are 4 types of duck that are famous for being enormous jumpers. The canvasbacks, redheads, scope, and ring-necked ducks are native to North America and have been known to be probably the best freshwater jumpers in the whole world. They can jump somewhere in the range of 1 to 6 feet submerged and last around 10 to 20 seconds without air. Be that as it may, this is the main typical distance and time. Large numbers of these varieties can jump much more profound for significantly longer also. 9. Ducks are viewed as on each landmass. However, Antarctica ducks are normal birds and can be spotted on basically every landmass, aside from Antarctica. Notwithstanding, there has been one animal type that has been spotted on the shorelines of Antarctica. The yellow-charged pintail, a duck usually found in South America, has been known to travel in Antarctica occasionally. In any case, it quite often remains on the shorelines and typically doesn't remain there for quite a while because of the cruel and cold environment, as well as the horrendous hunters like whales and ocean lions. 10. Ducks don't quack all of the time. While ducks are generally known for shuddering, this isn't the main type of correspondence that they use. As a matter of fact, ducks can utilize a progression of various commotions to impart. They can likewise deliver a progression of barks, blares, snarls, coos, prattles, and significantly more. In spite of the fact that they don't sing like most birds, they have additionally been referred to murmur on occasion also. They can likewise convey non-verbally, stirring sprinkles in the waters with their bills or the leaves and grass with their feet. They genuinely are an exceptional and extraordinary animal groups with a great deal of assortment. Subscribe to this channel to get notifications update each time we upload video. Kindly like and share this video. Thanks.